because that was actually going to be one of my questions, because a lot of times people always talk about, oh, your kids won't be socialized. That's like one of the main things. People just
Mhm.
get concerned about that. And that's why they feel like homeschool, it's off-putting. The thought of homeschooling is off-putting for those people because, oh,
Mhm.
well, the kids won't be socialized. It's like,
Yeah,
you got to figure it out. It's different. You
it's
have to do
different.
things differently.
It's different, but I think a lot of that is also conditioning
Yep.
from
Hmm.
folks who want to perpetuate what isn't really working, you know?
Yes.
So it's kind of like if we're listening to the folks who aren't really fixing the problem, but who kind of want to keep the problem going,
Ooh.
then it's like, that's counterproductive.
Hmm.
So it then becomes a thing of, well, what's best for me, you know? And so moving in alignment with what that is, then you get creative. You figure
Hmm.
out, okay, if that is a topic that is of concern, what can I do differently to make that not be a concern for me?
Mm.
And
Yes.
who can I align myself with that's in my area that's thinking of a like mind that, okay, let's get our kids together,
Hmm.
and let's do that. And so that's, it's really you got to do some, you got to get out of the comfort zone. So,
Yes.
I think just sending them off somewhere and then just kind of like expecting whatever you're expecting out of that,
Yeah.
it, you know, is what it is. But it's a little bit more work when you
Yes.
actually have to decide, okay, who are the people that I'm going to have put into their worlds, then
Yes.
it becomes
Yes.
more thoughtful, more mindful.
Yes.
And
Mm.
so that's kind of the approach that I think is important.